Hey guys, so here I am coming at you with an egg sandwich. So yeah, posted this on my Instagram, so here we go. First ingredient is wheat bread, and I use this one because it's cheaper. And then I have some eggs. There's 4 egg whites and 1 egg yolk, mayonnaise, green onions, and tomatoes. And of course, some mozzarella cheese. So first of all, you're gonna saute your onions. Saute them, and then you have your breads with mayonnaise. You're gonna take your bread and you put it in a little grill thing, and you just let that toast up. It just makes it taste a lot better. Then you're gonna take some coconut oil and you spray that on it, because for me personally, I think it adds some flavor. Then you take your eggs and you're just gonna quickly saute them, and of course do not forget to add salt. I did not show that in here, but add salt, because or else they ain't not gonna be good. Add some mozzarella cheese to your breads. You're gonna add it to both on the side that's toasted. So you turn it over and then you toast the other side that's not toasted, and then you bring it over and you just let it sit there and toast. And there you have your eggs already and your breads. You're gonna place a tomato on there. And yeah, so then you're gonna bring your egg over, place it in there as well, and you have this freaking delicious sandwich.